Imagine standing in the heart of Jaipur, surrounded by palaces, forts, and vibrant bazaars, the air rich with the scent of Indian spices. Now, picture yourself in Istanbul, where the call to prayer echoes over the Bosphorus, connecting two continents in a blend of East and West. Jaipur, the pink city of India, and Istanbul, the historic gateway between Europe and Asia, are two breathtaking destinations, each with its own charm. Both cities are colorful, bustling, and deeply rooted in their history, making them must visit destinations for those who love culture, history, and food. But if you had to choose one, which of them would be your next adventure? Let's compare these two cities across five key aspects: history and architecture, culture and atmosphere, food and flavors, shopping and markets, and finally, travel experiences and accessibility. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which destination suits your travel style. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate showdown: Jaipur versus Istanbul. Let's start with history and architecture. Jaipur boasts stunning Rajput architecture with some influences of the Mughal style. You'll find amber sandstone forts, intricately carved palaces, and the world famous Hava Mahal. Every street feels like a walk through a royal past. Istanbul, on the other hand, is where Byzantine and Ottoman influences merge. The Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and Topkapi Palace narrate stories of emperors and sultans. While Jaipur feels like a royal Indian fairy tale, Istanbul takes you on a journey through centuries of empire building. What about culture and atmosphere? Jaipur's chaotic yet colorful streets is where traditional Rajasthani folk performances and camel rides bring the desert to life. Meanwhile, Istanbul thrives on contrasts. You'll find old spice markets next to modern cafes, whirling dervishes performing mystical Sufi dances, and a nightlife that pulses along the Bosphorus. Jaipur is deeply traditional, while Istanbul blends the ancient with the modern. If you're enjoying our comparison series, tell us in the comments which cities you would like us to compare next. Okay, now let's get into the food and flavors of the two cities. Jaipur is a paradise for spice lovers. Dal bati churma, kachoris, and the rich flavors of lal mas define its cuisine. Street food lovers will enjoy the pyaz kachoris and the lassi served in earthen pots. Meanwhile, Istanbul offers a feast of Turkish delights: kebabs, baklava, and the unmissable Turkish tea and coffee culture. While Jaipur's cuisine is bold and hearty, with richness of Indian spices, Istanbul's is an exotic fusion of Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Asian flavors. What about shopping and markets? If shopping is your thing, Jaipur's bustling bazaars will spoil you with handcrafted jewelry, blue pottery, and block printed fabrics. If you love Indian prints and intricate jewelry, Bapu Bazaar and Johri Bazaar are truly going to be your dream come true. As for shopping in Istanbul, the Grand Bazaar is a labyrinth of carpets, ceramics, lamps, and antiques, a sight in itself, while the Spice Bazaar is a sensory overload of aromas. Both the cities are shoppers' paradise, but while Jaipur is all about traditional craftsmanship, Istanbul offers a mix of souvenirs from different cultures. Let's talk about travel experiences on accessibility. Jaipur is best explored by auto rickshaws or on foot. The palaces and forts are just a short ride away. Istanbul, being a major international hub, offers seamless transport: buses, trams, ferries, metros, connecting both the European and Asian sites. Walking is also a great option, especially around the major monuments. Most of Jaipur feels like stepping into an ancient royal city, while Istanbul makes you feel like you're traveling through two different worlds at once. So, Jaipur or Istanbul? If you seek regal history, vibrant colors, rich Indian cuisine, and deep rooted traditions, Jaipur will steal your heart. But if you crave a mix of cultures, grand landmarks, and a city that straddles continents, Istanbul is your dream destination. No matter which one you choose, one thing is certain: both the cities promise an unforgettable adventure. So, which one will you pick for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. If you like our travel comparisons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.